The shutdown has started. Police confirmed readiness. Azviri musha zanabena mashwa uri kunkonza aiwa panguva ino ichabvunduka patoshata nobva subscribe like on the bell kuti pira panapa mushinje ridobdanyo rachiti. In times like this, wisdom often speaks more clearly in stillness than in noise. As many of you are aware, the Zimbabwe Republic Police have made it clear they are deploying maximum force across towns, business centers, and the public areas on the 22nd and 23rd of April 2025, and even beyond if the situation remains. While their message speaks of maintaining order, history has taught us how such deployments tend to unfold when ordinary citizens simply exercise their right to move, gather, or speak. This is not a moment of unnecessary risk, no going to town, no going to work, no going out for shopping. Let us choose peace, not because we fear, but because we understand power. Let us choose stillness, not because we are weak, but because we are wise. Let our absence from the streets be our message. Let our quiet homes be louder than slogans. Let town remain as empty as the promises that brought us here. To every parent, student, worker, vendor, stay home. If you can, avoid town, cancel the trips, postpone the errand. Nothing is worth the responsibility of violence, intimidation, or humiliation at the hands of those police. The authorities have already told us what they are ready to do, and sometimes the best response is to give them exactly what they fear most: a nation too calm to crush, too quiet to control. People, they must comply, let them stay away. The regime yanyasoratidzwa chokwadi. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kunipa pamusoro pechiitiko chimira comment section medu. Subscribe or like, share on the bell icon.